Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today it's the iPhone OTG Adapter. I wanted to plug a USB microphone into my iPhone for better recording. This is not really a specific review about the product, but I'll just show you how it works and the results. If you're recording on your iPhone and someone is talking quite far away, it can be really hard to hear what they're saying. Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today... And I'll just pause that footage there, and it was quite a struggle to hear what I was saying on that recording. What we'll do next is we'll set up the OTG adapter with the iPhone and the USB microphone, and then we'll see the results. Right, let's get cracking. This is my USB microphone here, and I use this on my computer or my laptop, and it's a really good quality one. And this here is the OTG adapter for the iPhone. Now today I'm going to be using a microphone in the iPhone, but it is compatible with lots of different types of accessories. Let's just take it out of the box. And I took a bit of a chance on this when I bought it off a well-known auction site because I wasn't sure if it was going to work or not. In the adapter you've got the USB port, and you've also got the power adapter port, and then the plug which goes into the back of your iPhone, but the power adapter port allows you to charge your iPhone at the same time, and I'll show you that later on. So plug it into the bottom of your iPhone. Then take your USB device, this is a USB microphone. Plug that into the OTG adapter. So now the lights come on the microphone, so that has got power. And now let's test it out.
Hello, this is Lurgs. I'm talking very quietly, but hopefully you can hear me with the microphone plugged into this special adapter straight into the iPhone. Obviously this is better if you're sitting down, not if you're walking around, then you want an external Bluetooth microphone, but this is a really good little adapter.
And as I mentioned earlier, you can charge up your iPhone at the same time. So plug in your power adapter into the back of that OTG adapter. Then plug it into the iPhone. So you can see the microphone lights come on, so the microphone is ready. And also at the same time, the iPhone is still charging. So the OTG adapter is a really useful device if you want to make better quality videos and speak into a professional microphone. Here's just a quick overview of what it does. You can pause that and read that at your leisure. If you've got a modern iPhone with the up-to-date iOS, it should just work. If not, you may have to change a few settings. Go into the settings on your iPhone, go into Touch ID and passcode, or it might be Touch ID and Face ID. Enter your passcode, and if you scroll down you've got this option called USB accessories. Now you may need to select that to the on position to make the USB accessories work. Now if you go to accessibility, scroll down, press touch, then select assistive touch, and you may need to switch this on. But hopefully you can just plug it in and it will just work.
I hope that was useful.
Time for a cup of gourmet coffee. God damn, Jimmy, this is some serious gourmet-ish. Me and Vincent here would have been happy with some tasteless freeze-dried choice. And you're springing this gourmet-ish on us.
Around the edge of the screen there's lots of other useful videos on the iPhone.